Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Temu's customer support system for account assistance. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Go to the Use section at the bottom. Here you'll notice a headphone icon. Tap on that and now you're inside the Temu support page. Here you'll see a list of support options. Let's check them one by one. First up is recommended topics. Next is order issues. Moving on to shipping and delivery. Now let's go to return and refund. Next up is product and stock. After that, we have managing my account. Next is payment and promos. Moving forward, we have your security. And finally, there's policies and other. Simply select the topic that matches your issue and you'll be able to view answers directly. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.